Justice for Eurie Stamps. The Framingham man was an innocent bystander when he was shot and killed by police in 2011. As WBZ's Louisa Moeller explains, the Middlesex DA is promising to take a new look at the case.
I felt safe when he was around, and I also felt like we were in check when he was around, too.
Those who knew him describe Eurie Stamps Sr. as gentle but firm, a larger-than-life presence in the Cambridge community where he grew up.
Say his name!
His name sounded through Cambridge, and his face flashed on T-shirts Saturday. A renewed call by friends and supporters to look at the 2011 SWAT team raid in Framingham that killed Eurie. He was an innocent bystander, shot when the team bust into his house, investigating drug activity by a family member.
Why is it so important to bring this to light at this moment?
This is not just indicative of what's going on locally, but this is a national pandemic of police brutality and racism and hatred.
On that cold January night, SWAT team members told Eurie to get on his stomach. He complied, but then one officer told investigators, quote, "I start to fall over. I'm going backwards." The end result, a bullet from his M4 semi-automatic rifle pierced Eurie's head, neck, and chest. The then Middlesex District Attorney investigated and concluded that the officer fell and the shooting was an accident.
For his story to be correct, one would have to throw out the laws of physics and conclude that bullets can turn corners.
And Anthony Tarricone, who represented the Stamps family in a civil rights lawsuit against Framingham PD that ended with a nearly $4 million settlement, says the officer violated police policies, like not having the safety on his rifle. The U.S. First Circuit Court of Appeals stated that the officer's intentional actions greatly increased the risk of accidental harm.
Is there anything criminally you could do at this point?
It's premature to say that.
The now Middlesex District Attorney, Marion Ryan, says she will release the entire investigation.
And while we're doing that, we are going to be re-looking at all of that as well.
While the officer involved is still on the job.
He should have never been given a weapon again.
In a statement, Framingham's Mayor Yvonne Spicer said that Framingham's SWAT team has been dismantled and changes have been made in the police department. Louisa Moeller, WBZ News.